You're going to hear the dogs going nuts because the lawnmower guy is out there. And Baxter is telling him what for. See? Are you telling him? You telling him off, buddy? Yeah, I know. I had to close off the dog door. He's telling him. He said, get off my lawn, you kids. Anyway, so, I went to Las Vegas, and when I came back, guys, no, go. When I came back, so I had my mail held. I don't think I had anything ordered that was waiting to come in, but I had my mail held, and it all came in today. I think it's Monday. Yeah, today's Monday. So, there's something in here, and I don't have anything ordered. As it says from Amazon, and I know I don't have anything from Amazon, so we are going to see what it just might be. Alright, so we're going to do the usual, okay? What happens is, usually, if somebody remembers to send like a gift card thingy, there will be three pieces. They're making sure none fell. There'll be 3 pieces of paper. These papers. And so, what happens is, 2 of them will have what's on there, and the other one will be like the message. So we ain't looking, so don't be looking. All right, I got to close back up. So what we have to do is, sorry, my leg's itching. We have to kind of carefully look at these. So we see that barcode. Nope, that's not the one. Because like I said, we're looking for the one that says something. I think, now we're going to look fast. Ready? Because we don't want to see anything. That one, that's a gift receipt. It says gift receipt, so we ain't going to read that one. This one, yep, here we go. There we go. I love using these to record, and I know background sounds interrupt you sometimes, so I thought you'd like these. They're very noise canceling and super easy to use. Love you always, from Bethany Shanae. Bethany! Oh, okay, well, we ain't gonna look, but for the record, Bethany Shanae, she has a channel here on YouTube, and if you're not following her, you're missing out. Just cute as a bug. I don't know if that's okay to say, but she's so cute. I just love her. I could just give her a hug and pinch her cheek. She's cute as can be. All right, so now we kind of have an idea of sound canceling something. So we're not... What if it canceled that out? Okay, are you ready? I'm trying to see if I can feel which is the... Okay, so that's the top. There's like a little hangy thingy. All right. Oh, let's just look. What is it? Okay. Wireless lavalier microphone and mini duo. Hey! Hang on now. I wonder if this guy will be here long enough to try it on the chaos that's going on around there right now. I wonder if he'll be here. It gets done real fast, the long guy does. Oh, Bethany! Like I said, she's got a channel because she's doing her own health journey. And you know what's really cool? I don't know if she's done it in a while, but Bethany, she actually makes meals for coworkers and sells it to her coworkers. Like, if that's not ingenious, try and be careful. I just painted my nails. If that ain't ingenious, I'm telling you what, that's the smartest thing ever. It's kind of funny because I had people tell me they wish that I would like make them some food. They don't want to have to cook or think about it. They just want to eat. So that'd be super duper smart. I might mess around and get this done before he leaves, but I don't know. It only takes him about 10 minutes to do his thing. All right, we're here for you. Dude! Chill yourself. Okay, so that plugs in. I actually had asked Bethany about her microphone one time because she just sounds so clear. Okay, so that would probably be a charger. I wonder if it has charge to it. Oh, my stars and garters. Come on, little feller. Come on, feller. How'd you die? How'd you cut off your thumb, Grandma? Well, see, kids, it's like this. One day. Oh, so it's a little slip on. Slips on. Hang on. Let me see if I can get it figured out. If there's a charge. If there's not a charge, we'll have to try it tomorrow. Hang on. Let me figure this out. Okay, so they need charge. So we're going to try it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Miss Bethany Shanae. Wait, guys, I want to say her channel right because I just told you her name. But hang on. I'm watching a YouTube video for how this works. I'll put it on in just a second. But let me get down here because I want to tell you I hate when my channels get all mixed up and not alphabetical order. Okay, it's called I Am Bethany Shanae. So it's spelled Bethany is her first name. Last name is Chanae. So this is fancy. I think you push the button to see if it's noise canceling or to make it noise canceling. No, wait, down. This is the button. I'm going to see. Now I'm testing. Oh no, I think it's muted. Hold on. Okay. Oh wait, no. Yeah. Okay. Maybe that was just turn on. I'm watching a video about it. But yeah, so this is from I Am Bethany. I can't stop my alarms from going off. It comes with this little, there's the microphone. It comes with little, stars and garters, a magnet. Hold up. And hang on now. Let me get it straight. I've seen people on TV, and it comes with this cute little fluffy cover. It's funny. I see people on the TikTok using those. Hang on. They'll be like, hang on, I'm going to put it on so we can try it. Push it on here good. They'll be like, hey, do you want some SMR? Do you want some, no, ASMR. That's not something you eat, doofus. Give you some Baxter ASMR. It's not food, boy. All right, I'm going to see. Oh, it fell off. He licked it off. Anyway, I'm going to hear the quality of this. But I'm so stinking excited. I have my own microphone. Bethany Shanae, thank you so much. Y'all got to go follow her because she's on her journey too to lose. I don't remember how much it is, but anyway, she's on her journey to lose weight. So, and she's really fun to watch. So, all right. Anyway, bye. And thank you.